Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can make resume with templates in Google Docs. So just going to open Google Chrome and select the grid icon in the top right. Swipe up and just select Docs and appears like this. So you can select the resumes template appears here and just select this one you like. For instance, just click this one and appear like this. So just change the text that need to be changed. So for instance, your name, um, your experience, your education, projects, language, board, etc. You can change the text that needs to be changed. So just print the document, and also you can download the PDF type of document. So that's how to make resume with template in Google Docs. And don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.